In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Xero versus QuickBooks versus MYOB, three leading accounting platforms that many small and medium businesses rely on, so you can understand how they differ, where each works best, and which one matches your business needs. These three tools all help you manage money, invoices, expenses, and financial reporting, but each one approaches those tasks a little differently. Before adopting a proper accounting system, many business owners juggle spreadsheets, loose receipts, calendar reminders, and separate billing tools, which leads to manual errors, wasted time, and uncertainty about your real financial picture. Switching to an integrated accounting platform changes that. Instead of scattered manual processes, your finances are organized, automated where possible, and easier to track in real time. Xero has become a favorite for many small business owners because it blends strong automation and clarity with a clean, easy-to-use interface. Its dashboard gives an immediate snapshot of your accounts: what's been invoiced, what's overdue, how much is in the bank, and where your cash flow stands. You can create professional invoices with custom branding and connect your business bank accounts so transactions import automatically. When clients pay, Xero matches incoming payments with invoices, reducing manual reconciliation work. Expenses are easy to capture, whether you upload receipts or categorize costs directly in the system. Xero also offers multi-currency support, where available, and a suite of financial reports, profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow statements that make tax time and decision-making much clearer. Many small businesses appreciate that Xero feels powerful without being overwhelming once you get used to the setup. QuickBooks is one of the most comprehensive platforms available, especially if you want deep bookkeeping and financial tracking built into a single system. Like Xero, QuickBooks lets you manage invoices, expenses, bank reconciliation, and financial reports, but it also goes further with features such as advanced tax summaries and robust reporting tools that give you insight into revenue, expenses, and profitability. QuickBooks can scale across business size, from sole traders to growing companies that need more structured financial insight. Its payroll add-ons and optional modules mean you can expand your usage over time. The trade-off is that QuickBooks can feel more complex when you first start, partly because it covers more accounting ground. There's a learning curve as you familiarize yourself with categories, bank feeds, and report settings. If you need a full accounting engine and long-term financial control, QuickBooks delivers depth, but it can be heavier to set up than simpler tools. MYOB is a long-standing accounting platform, especially well-known among Australian and New Zealand businesses, and it balances local compliance features with solid bookkeeping. MYOB worksheets let you manage invoicing, track expenses, run payroll, and prepare tax reports in ways that align closely with local tax rules and reporting requirements. If your business operates primarily within Australia or New Zealand, and you need software that speaks local compliance language, MYOB can be a strong contender. Its features cover the essentials: invoicing, bank reconciliation, expense tracking, payroll, and it's designed to help you stay aligned with VAT/GST and payroll obligations. The downside is that compared with Xero's cloud-first experience or QuickBooks' broader international ecosystem, MYOB can feel a bit less polished, and users sometimes find its user interface less intuitive when compared to newer platforms. Setup can take time, but once configured, the compliance-focused features help businesses that must meet specific regional reporting needs. In real-world use, these differences matter in how you manage your day-to-day finances. Xero shines when you want automation and clarity without heavy complexity, with seamless bank feeds and straightforward reporting. QuickBooks excels if you want comprehensive accounting and financial control, including advanced reports and optional payroll add-ons as your business grows. MYOB is strong when local compliance and regional payroll/tax reporting are priorities, especially for Australian and New Zealand business owners who want software that aligns with local rules. The best choice depends on your workflow, business size, and how much complexity you're ready to handle. If you want a clean, modern interface with powerful automation, many users lean towards Xero. If you want depth, structure, and the ability to scale into advanced accounting, QuickBooks is a top choice. And if staying closely aligned with local compliance matters most, MYOB delivers that focus. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Xero, QuickBooks, or MYOB or are considering switching to one of them. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.